But 12 years ago today, I was fired from my job.
Let's make this a friendly game.
I can't beat them. Are we doing a race?
Got me working like it's my first year now.
This is so much better, bro. I was embarrassed driving this.
It looks so.
That's how you do it.
Behind me is this month's deal. I got 5 Forgiato Lizettes for $6,000. They fit Jeep Gladiator and the Jeep Wrangler. 22x12, full polish. Come and get them before they're gone. Same thing, right over here. I got the Forgiato Fluso, 22x12, full polished. Forgiato baby, made in California, fully forged.
Everybody pulled in, back to back.
There's 3 cars that just pulled in, bro. Back to back.
Everybody's, huh?
4 Gs in the back.
No. You were joking.
Legit, bro. I said I got the 4 Gs, bro. I got the 4 Gs. It's 4G Auto.
Let's make this a friendly game, right? Okay. We're gonna rock, paper, scissors to see who chooses.
Okay.
First car that comes out wins, right? Paper, scissors, shoot. Go. I'm choosing this one.
Oh,
take the van. Look at you. No, keep going. You know I'm in the lead.
Muskoka's in the lead right now, Garbage.
Yeah, I know.
Racing?
Yeah. But we only have one fucking torque wrench.
I can tell because you guys never work this fast.
There's no sensor in mine. It's automatic, yeah?
So if that's the case,
No. He chose that car. We have a rock, paper, scissors, and he chose that car.
okay.
Yeah. Wait, no,
I
know his weakness,
don't make
bro.
excuse, bro. No.
Making excuses.
Are you
I
done?
know your weakness.
Are you done? Because he's not done yet.
Let's see. We save sensors till last, no?
Oh, by the way, big shout out Kenneth Morgan Pools. You need a pool, these are the guys you guys call. Nobody else does it better.
Dad.
Golf caps. Golf caps. They all have caps. No. Man, you got schooled.
You got 30 minutes.
That's too long.
Still better than Jaka.
30 minutes? Yeah. Oh my, I'd slap you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, hear this guy.
I'd slap you guys. Oh. So Garbage won. But the only reason why he won, I'm gonna be very clear, is because Chaka chose the Japanese car, which you have to plug in to reset sensors. So, yo, I don't know, man. Like, yo, he purposely chose the hard one to make it easier for you.
Nah.
Carmen says you could beat them.
I can't beat them. Are we doing a race? Oh.
No.
Oh!
Yeah, it's all good by me. Appreciate it. So, you guys are gonna give me a call, or?
Yeah, we'll give you a call and then we'll book both cars in and get them done. All right, bro.
Appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Eh?
Take care.
You as well.
Rolls Royce Phantom. Just did the wheels, but customer hit a pothole. Shout out to the streets of Toronto, and we're gonna be replacing a 1-week-old tire.
You guys want to know something funny?
Hey, what's happening? Sorry.
Well, I just told you upstairs. But 12 years ago today, I was fired from my job. I was the guy. You know what I'm saying? So it's like I had to start up immediately. I didn't have time to delay. And I had to
No worries, bro. No stress.
really just stick it to my old boss. You'll never fucking break me. You'll never fucking break me in your life. And 12 years later, here we are, baby. You know? History. But you don't have a Benz.
I know, but these are nice for
Trade it in for a G-Wagon. I think this is a good option.
Like this style? Or this? Yo, why don't we do 2-tone dirties? That'll look fire.
Do we have them?
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, bro, let me just. You want to leave the truck now?
When would it be ready?
A couple hours.
Okay. Gotcha.
Done. All right, done.
That was a close deal. Leave the
Frankie,
truck. Okay, do I get a new?
get some Fitted Spec.
Hey, do I
boring
get a
shitty.
Premier Uber or do I get my own Uber?
Don't you have your other trucks here? Okay, done.
12-year anniversary.
There you go.
Close deal, man.
Got me working like it's my fucking first year now.
It's the only place I trust. Premier Tire. I won't go to anybody else. I don't go. Bro, everybody else are butchers out there.
Yo, Kenny, you think you're gonna roll out of here with a Range Rover on rims and my Range Rover is not on rims? Stay tuned, baby. We put my 6s on.
the wheel plug.
Looks good, no?
Great.
That looks like a Range Rover. Doesn't look like a fucking Porsche anymore.
Oh my god. This is so much better, bro. I was embarrassed driving this.
No, look, it looks so good, bro. It looks. Yeah, that's right, baby. The only one in Canada on 26s.
What happens when you do changeovers in 30 minutes? You see how thick it is? Right on the edge.
Yeah. See? Hard work outside. Look like you saying
See what I did?
heat.
Saved it.
Want to go wrap another pallet?